You are going to love the 2019 INFINITI Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of INFINITI's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, splash guards, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.